Good morning, y'all. Today's video is a little random weekend day in our life. We love to take it easy on Saturday mornings and wake up slow, drink coffee, play with baby Ollie. And today we were also decorating the back porch. Our back porch has actually been bare since we moved in almost 2 years ago, and so I was so excited to get that all set up. I ordered a little set on Amazon, and I'm so excited to share it with y'all. I hope y'all enjoy this video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you. I make lots of videos about cleaning and home decor and mom life, so if that's something that you love too, definitely hit that subscribe button today. But let's go ahead and get this Saturday started. I always tell Will that a weekend does not feel like a weekend unless we get to have cinnamon rolls. So I woke up and threw some cinnamon rolls in. I just used I think they're Pillsbury, but they have the cream cheese icing and they are so delicious. So I threw some of those in. I also made myself a cup of coffee. Baby Oliver had not woken up yet, so I had this little bit of quiet time. And after I eat a cinnamon roll, I'm just going to go in the bathroom and get ready. I did not show that on camera because I wanted to get ready before Oliver woke up, so I had to quickly do that. I just threw some curls in my hair and threw on a t-shirt and some shorts to run some errands today.
Say good morning. You see Opie Doggy? You see Opie Doggy? Opie, you wanna go outside? Some more puffs.
Don't mind the back porch because that's what we're doing today. I'm going to give it a little makeover. And y'all, the relationship between Opie and Oliver is the cutest thing ever. Oliver has started noticing Opie and he loves him. Every time he looks at him, he just smiles so big. And Opie doesn't feel the same way, but that's okay. They'll grow to love each other, I'm sure. But Oliver loves watching Opie. He could watch him all day long. And he loves feeding him, so we have to watch him because a lot of times Opie will come and jump on his high chair or his little walker, and Oliver will just hand him whatever he has in his hand. I love making my bed on the weekends because I feel like we're a lot more productive, even if it's just something fun that we're going to do. We get out of bed, we get dressed, and we get going rather than just laying around all day. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going to make up our bed, I'm going to brush my teeth, and take my vitamins. Thank you so much to Care Of for sponsoring today's video. I have been loving Care Of ever since having baby Oliver. It's a wellness brand that ships high quality, personalized vitamins, supplements, and powders right to your door every month. And y'all know I love anything that comes right to my front door because with the baby, it is so hard to get anywhere, and I love that I have to put zero thought into what vitamins I need to take. You just take their short, in-depth quiz about your lifestyle and health goals, and you get personalized recommendations based on your answers, which eliminates all of the overwhelming confusion around trying to find a routine that works for you. I've actually just been leaving mine right next to my bed so that when I wake up in the morning, I can get all of that taken care of right off the bat. And right now I'm taking a prenatal blend, probiotics, rhodiola, and collagen. And I've actually noticed a huge difference in my mood and my stress levels with that rhodiola. And I also love taking that collagen in my coffee in the morning with hot coffee because my skin needs all of the help it can get right now. It is whack after having the baby. And Care Of's daily vitamin pack is actually made of compostable film, so you don't have to worry about sustainability. And I used to have to research each vitamin that I needed and buy each of them separately, but with Care of, everything I need comes together in one pack, and it just makes my life so much easier. So you can go take Care of's quiz today and find out what's recommended for you, and use my code LaurenY50 for 50% off your first order. Hey y'all, I'm just now getting a chance to pop on here with my face, but we just stopped by Starbucks. I got an iced caramel macchiato. It is really freaking hot outside today. I think it's like almost 100 degrees. So I'm gonna hurry up in Lowe's, but I need to run by Lowe's because I have to get some plants for the back porch. I wanna do a little decorating on the back porch today. And I think I'm gonna try to convince Will to do salads for dinner. I kinda just want like a salad with some rotisserie chicken and goat cheese and some strawberries and blueberries, like a fresh summer salad. I want to put together our little back patio and then let Oliver play back there, and we can maybe eat our salads on the patio. That sounds so fun. I also got Ollie a little kiddie pool, so I may set that up tonight, but I need to run in Lowe's real quick, pick up some plants. I want to get a bigger plant for the top of our patio, and then when you go down the stairs, I want there to be 2 little plants by the stairs. So I'm going to pick up several plants, several pots for the plants, and I wanted to do some hanging plants on the top of the patio, but I have yet to figure out how to do that. So I think I'm just gonna decorate the patio today, and then maybe in another video soon I'll do the hanging plants. Also, when we get to decorating the patio in a few minutes in the video, I'm gonna tell y'all what our patio plans are. We're about to extend our patio and do a big pergola over the top, and I'm so excited, but for the time being, that's not gonna be done until like early fall. So I want to have our patio ready for summer. So I'm gonna get the patio all decorated, cleaned off. I cleaned most of it last week, and I need to put our new patio set out there. I got a little patio set off Amazon, and it was a steal. I can't wait to share that with y'all. But got my iced coffee. I'm gonna run in Lowe's, get these plants, and then I'll catch up with y'all in a little bit. When we got home, I decided to take some spray away and wipe down all of these windows and shine them up. I'm also going to take the broom and sweep off the porch, and I know I did some cleaning on my porch in last week's video, but I wanted to go ahead and touch it all up because it's been a minute. And then also, we've had a doormat sitting at the back door for probably over a year now because it says summertime on it. So it's from last summer, and it made a mark on our concrete, so I'm going to take some Dawn dish soap and water and just scrub that with a broom. And it did end up coming up perfectly, so highly recommend that little trick. But I'm just gonna get this all cleaned up. The flowers that I got from Lowe's, I ended up picking up some petunias and some verbena plants. The verbena is so pretty. I've never seen one before, I don't think, but it's really detailed. It's little bitty. It's like a flower with little bitty details. I don't know how to explain it. You'll see it in just a minute, but I love that plant. I'm going to use it for the table that I bought for our patio, and for the petunias, I'm going to put them on either side of the stairs. So I kind of had to rearrange my plans for the evening because it got late way quicker than I wanted it to. So I'm just out here cleaning the porch right now, but I realized that after I hose off the porch, it has to dry before I put everything on it because I have a rug that I'm going to put down. And so when I went to let it dry, it took a really long time. I mean, I sat there for like an hour and it's still really wet. So I finally ended up just taking a broom and brushing as much water off of it as I could. And then I got a box fan and just set it there. And by the time I got our porch dry, it was pitch dark outside. So I had to work off of the porch lights, which is such a bummer because I know that when I was doing our front porch, the exact same thing happened. I always end up shopping the same day I decorate, and then that puts me decorating really late at night. But Anyways, we do get it done, and you can see it really well. It's just, it looks better in the daylight. But I'm going to go ahead and hose off the porch. I'm going to eat some dinner, and then we'll come back when it's dark outside. Here we are. I'm just eating my salad on the porch by myself while Will helps put Oliver to bed because it was just late. But we're going to still decorate, and it's still going to end up really cute. I actually purchased 3 of these outdoor rugs, one from Tuesday Morning, one from TJ Maxx, and I think one from Michael's. I believe this one right here is from, no, this one's from Ross, not Tuesday Morning. But I ended up landing on this one because I love the detail, and I feel like it goes really well with both the siding on the house and the patio set. So this one did come from Ross, and I think it was like 10 or 15 bucks. Swinging like Natalie Cole. This is the little patio set that I found on Amazon for 80 bucks, y'all. You cannot beat that price. It's 2 really good quality chairs and a little table for 80 bucks. Plus, both of the chairs come with a cushion. I'm just shocked at that price. I haven't seen anything like that in a very long time. But these chairs are really good quality. The only thing is, the legs do look really skinny, so I don't know what the weight limit is on these chairs, but whenever I sit in it, it feels really sturdy, so I don't know, but really good quality for 80 bucks. And then this is the little verbena plant that I was telling y'all about. How stinking cute is that? Waking up to a brand new day in between your sheets. Some of y'all may recognize these pillows because we actually used to have them on our couch, and I put them away in the garage because they got a lot of those little beads on them. And I was actually going to throw them away, but I'm glad that I didn't because they're perfect for outside and I can still karate chop them, and I won't really care if they get messed up because they're already kind of dingy. But I love the way that those look in those chairs. And then this little plant, it's a shrub that I got from Lowe's, and it's called a Bigfoot Claria. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but I thought it looked so cute in this little pot. The pot also came from Lowe's. All the plants in the pots came from Lowe's, but how stinking cute is that? Picked up that little wreath from Michael's. I think it's an olive branch wreath, but it looked like the plant over there on the other side of the patio set, and so I thought that was cute. And now we're just going to put some plants down here on either side of the steps. I wanted to do some petunias. Hopefully I can keep these alive because I've heard that they're really hard to kill, so if I end up killing these, someone needs to come help me. It's for living. Let's see where this all might lead. I'm going to be doing most of the repotting the next day just because it got really late on us, but I love the way that this turned out. It's so cozy, and I can't wait to start hanging out back here a lot more. I didn't get a chance to share where our pergola is going to go and everything that we're going to do with our patio, but I will share that in my next cleaning video. It got too dark to show y'all where it is, but I promise I will share that in my next cleaning video. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Make sure to check out Care Of and get 50% off your first order, and I will see y'all very soon. Bye.